Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
This video will showcase the latest trends in modern garden design for 2023. You'll be inspired by innovative ideas for creating a stylish and functional outdoor oasis that reflects your personal style and enhances your home's beauty. Highlight the shift from purely aesthetic gardens to ones that prioritize practicality and sustainability. Introduce the idea of incorporating edible landscapes, water features for conservation, and eco-friendly materials. Emphasize how these trends allow homeowners to create a space that benefits both their environment and lifestyle. Showcase the use of natural materials like stone, wood, and metal, emphasizing their earthy tones and organic textures. Explore the current trend of incorporating bold colors through vibrant blooms, foliage, and outdoor furniture. Discuss the use of color blocking and layering for visual interest and depth. Introduce the concept of clean lines and geometric shapes in garden design, drawing inspiration from minimalist architecture. Show examples of geometric-shaped patios, walkways, and even planting arrangements. Emphasize the use of symmetry and repeating patterns to create a sense of order and harmony. Explore the trend of blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living spaces through open-plan designs. Showcase ideas like extending living areas onto patios, integrating kitchen islands with outdoor seating, and creating seamless transitions between rooms and gardens. Emphasize the use of natural materials and colors to create a cohesive aesthetic. Highlight the importance of sustainable practices in modern garden design. Introduce concepts like rainwater harvesting, composting, and choosing native plants to promote biodiversity. Encourage viewers to explore eco-friendly landscaping options and share resources for green gardening. A vibrant, colorful flower garden with large, rusted metal, ring-like sculptures. Hyper-realistic rendering. The sculptures, in warm rusty orange and brown tones, are positioned throughout the garden, creating sweeping, arching openings that frame the diverse floral displays. The flowers are a riot of color: oranges, yellows, reds, pinks, and blues, various shades of each, arranged in interwoven patches and borders. There are various types of flowers, some large and profuse, others smaller and more delicate. The ground is covered with gravel pathways that wind around the sculptures. A sprawling outdoor patio area, adjacent to a modern stone house, featuring a tiered design with terracotta-colored steps and decking. A luxurious outdoor lounge area with substantial, earth-toned cushioned seating. The patio is landscaped with various succulents, agave, lavender, and wildflowers in warm, muted tones of terracotta, ochre, and pale blues. A small, contemporary pool is nestled within the tiered structure. The plantings are lush and varied, creating a naturalistic, desert-inspired garden, with pops of bright orange and yellow wildflowers and deep violet lavender. The house features a large, sliding glass patio door allowing for seamless indoor-outdoor flow. A modern, spacious, and tropical-inspired home exterior. Hyper-realistic rendering of a house with extensive vertical gardens covering the exterior walls. The walls feature a mix of lush green plants, ferns, flowers, orange, yellow, and red blossoms, and moss-covered sections. Wooden planters and boxes in varying sizes hold the plants. The structure is a dark gray concrete with a flat roof. Large windows with dark frames provide natural light. A wooden deck extends from the house, providing a patio area with comfortable gray outdoor furniture, low seating, armchairs, and ottomans. A modern, landscaped garden patio adjacent to a contemporary home. Impressionistic realism. A pathway of dark gray stone slabs, edged with small river rocks and gravel, leads to a covered patio area. Rustic, weathered, rusty brown glazed ceramic or metal planters hold various grass-type plants, with a mix of taller and shorter varieties. Other plantings include colorful purple and blue flowers in the garden bed areas, contrasted with greenery and bamboo-like stalks. Dark gray and black stones and pebbles are used in the landscaping. A modern, outdoor patio area connected to a contemporary home. A large pergola-style structure with a woven, light beige canopy provides shade. The patio floor is light brown wooden decking with a concrete border. Gray sectional and armchairs, along with a coffee table, are arranged beneath the pergola. The setting is lush, with a dense hedge of dark green foliage surrounding a portion of the patio and a mix of other landscaping. Several potted plants, including small shrubs and herbs, add pops of green and life. The walls of the home are light beige, blending with the outdoor setting. A serene, meticulously landscaped Zen garden, adjacent to a modern, minimalist house. The house features large sliding glass doors opening onto a wooden deck, overlooking a gravel path leading to a small water feature. The gravel is a mix of gray and light beige tones. The garden path is paved with gray rectangular stones. The water feature consists of a small stream with cascading waterfalls over large, smooth, dark gray rocks. Tall bamboo plants line one side of the garden. A variety of lush green shrubs, including a small Japanese maple tree with vibrant red-orange foliage, add depth and color. The house has a light tan-colored exterior, with dark brown wooden beams and trim. A contemporary, landscaped backyard patio area. Hyper-realistic rendering of a modern home's courtyard. A light beige/gray stone patio, with light gray flagstone pavers, leads through the space. The courtyard has a natural aesthetic with a mix of gravel, greenery, and trees. A large wooden dining table with black metal chairs is positioned centrally, with seating to the side for relaxing. There is a light beige linen shade or pergola-type awning overhead. The house has a modern light gray exterior, visible walls and a wooden peaked roof. Glass sliding doors with black frames add modern appeal. A rustic, outdoor seating area under a wooden pergola. Wooden decking, with a raised platform for an area rug featuring a rich, warm color palette of terracotta, gold, orange, and black. The rug has a traditional design with geometric patterns. Several round, patterned poofs are scattered atop the rug. A light beige tan sectional sofa with various patterned cushions in warm colors are placed beneath the pergola. String lights along the pergola add a cozy, ambient glow. A sprawling outdoor oasis featuring a luxurious infinity pool with teal-toned water, nestled within a lush, landscaped garden. The pool area is lined with large format stone paving in warm beige and browns, creating a seamless transition to the modern outdoor living spaces.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.